Oh my goodness, yesterday and this morning have been an absolute wild ride. There are some things we are definitely going to be looking at. I got three stonks for you today that are down that I feel are great buying opportunities now. And let's just go ahead and jump into it. Very quickly, if you're new, go ahead and join the 249 people that have already done so by hitting that subscribe button. And make sure to like and comment on those videos. Greatly appreciated. Now let's go ahead and jump into things. If you're here just for the stonks, we are talking about MSCI. We're talking about UPS. And we are talking about ADP, automatic data processing. Now, MSCI yesterday was down over 11%. And I told Jens, I was like, I'm waiting for this to crack below that 500 mark. And I'm going in heavy. And I got in, I think it's at 481 is when I got in, which I'm perfecto with. It wants to give me any more cheaper, go ahead, keep dropping. I dare you, because I'm just going to load up. And the other one that was kind of a surprise was UPS. Let me pull their little thing up real quick here. They also had a good drop in here. Yeah, they also fell pretty hard. Another one that's right at 10%. Again, I think these are good companies. Even ADP right now is down 3.6% at pre-market whenever they open up, because they just released theirs as well. It's been a really weird year for holdings, because like MSCI didn't have terrible numbers whatsoever, and they actually beat on I think they beat on their revenue or their EPS as well. Their sales results are a little worse than expected, but they did really good still. And a massive 13.4% drop followed. And let's just take a look at the metrics, the finances here, and I was waiting for this opportunity. This is a great buying opportunity in my eyes. Not a financial advisor, just entertainment purposes. Revenue, the EBITDA, the free cash flow is constantly growing, net income, the EPS is growing. That dividend growth is ridiculous. They're buying back their shares slowly but surely, and they've got above a 20% return on capital employed very reliably. They've been growing their dividend for 9 years at an average rate of so over the last 5 years, it's been an average of 28.25% with their dividend growth. No job in history ever is going to give you that type of raise over a year-to-year basis. I'm a sucker. I love MSCI. The next one is UPS, our little delivery friend there. They've got a growing revenue. Everything's ticking in the better direction. They did have their 2020 hiccup there, and they did go negative with their cash flow in 2017, but for the most part, I feel like they are getting things back on track. Their EPS has been a lot better than it has in the previous years. Their return on capital employed has been above 20%, which is good. Again, like I said, they had the COVID hiccup. I mean, this is another great stock that I feel like didn't deserve a 10% drop. Crazy. 3.32% dividend yield, 46% payout ratio. What are you doing? They've been growing their dividend for the last 14 years. Over the last 5 years, they've been increasing it by an average of 12.86%. Again, very nice. This was one of the most recent additions to SCHD. I know a lot of people love SCHD. And, I mean, if it's good enough for SCHD, it's probably good enough for a lot of people's dividend portfolios. But, again, just none of this financial advice. I'm not that guy. But the next one that I like is automatic data processing. I'm a fan of this. It's just such a moody company because there's not really all that many more out there that do what ADP do. I see them on all my pay stubs and stuff. Again, same story. Revenue, EBITDA, great free cash flow, net income's going up. The EPS is rising. They have some debt, but it is extremely manageable. The return on capital employed is very reliably above 30%, which is beautiful, and they're doing share buybacks. Just a lot of things, again, ticking in the right direction with this company. They've been growing their dividend for the last 48 years, and over the last 5 years at an average of 13.31%. So very good, very, very good. I'm still confused about the MSCI. Like I said, they just want to keep on doing whatever they're doing there. I will keep nabbing this company up. I've been waiting very patiently for this buying opportunity. It hasn't been this low since the beginning of the year. And yeah, that's the three I've got for you today. Again, if you haven't already, go ahead and you can check out some of the previous videos. I got a stock of the week here for United Healthcare. We dive into some finances and just the goodies that it has to offer. Another stock I feel it's fantastic, especially under 500. But yeah, guys, until next time, I hope everyone has a great day. See you.